Hi, this is the Explora Travel Gear team here in Whistler, British Columbia to do a gear test. Let's take a look. First piece of gear today, the Explora Multi Tool. So Dan, how long have you been an electrician at Whistler Blackcomb?
I've been an electrician at Whistler Blackcomb for 3.5 years, but I've worked in the oil sands and down in Whistler Village, so I've been working as an electrician for 10 years about, and lived here in Whistler for about 15 years. Whistler Mountain, we run the chairlifts. If they break down, we're here to fix them and make people happy and keep them going on their skis.
So you're a user of multi-tools, Dan?
I am. I have multiple, one for my work and one for my snowmobiling and backcountry adventures.
So what do you think about the Explora Multi Tool?
The Explorer looks great. It's nice and lightweight. It's got these spring-loaded pliers. It's got quite a few tools, some that I would and some that I wouldn't need for this job particularly, but as an all-around multi-tool, it's got lots of cool options and definitely something I could use.